Yes, Mzansi, General Mkhwanazi once said he will never be friends of criminals. That's what he said. And number two, Mzansi, when Julius Malema goes against Mkhwanazi on that podium, I start asking myself, why Julius Malema doesn't address these allegations as to say, no, I didn't know, just to give us an explanation that I didn't know that these people are in such business. I know them. Simple as that. Instead of confusing his audience, because some members of the EFF, I'm 100% sure they don't agree on Julius Malema's statements, because Mkhwanazi really helped South Africa in this time. Because remember, we didn't know that DJ Sambod was in funny business, as of the text appeared on Madlanga Commission when one said, why you didn't warn him? We only knew that because of General Mkhwanazi decided to brief us as a nation. So it's very important to say, to members of the EFF to start asking questions, and for the organization as well to tell Julius Malema that you shall not use the word we, because now the EFF members now are taking a different stand with the whole thing of Mkhwanazi because of their leader allegedly is friends of these people. But what I don't understand is the members of the EFF. Why you guys, you are cowards? Why can't you say, Honorable Malema, CIC, can you respond in this in a formal manner? Do you have any wrongdoing, yes or no? Instead of attacking people, you know. And when Ndlozi went on and say hands off Mkhwanazi, why now this was all about you guys? When Mkhwanazi, when now it's all about now. I don't understand, Mzansi. Really, why you don't say Julius? Why you don't call Julius Malema into order? So kanekba ngamagwala uJulius Malema igama lakhe liyavela kwezinto, uyathethisa into edibene naye. Nina nizimember now ze nitkwazi nini uthetha no secretary beni. Instead xa isithi uNdlozi ngo hands off Mkhwanazi nina ngoseni sithi no awunothi uncedo nguMalema. uNdlozi akam-owe anything uJulius Malema. uNdlozi did serve his time in the EFF. Other people were there because of the love, the way Ndlozi was also campaigning. It was not only a one-man show of Julius Malema as if Julius Malema is the helper. He also got help from these people and benefited by the names of other people. So yekani lento niyenza sanuba muncu umxeleleni uMalema, mbuze into ba yintoni ekudibanisana la madoda. Yintoni ngosadibana nawe se-attack uMkhwanazi, mbuzeni sanuqhela.